friends, so in this video I am going to show you how to make this solar diya. So first I will explain you the diagram. So see, this is the diagram. This is a solar panel, the positive point and the negative point. So first the negative point we have to connect it with the rechargeable cell, and the positive point here we have to put IN4007 diode. This black part in the solar panel and the silver part over here in the battery, and these 2 points we have to join with a wire of a battery. See, like this I have joined over here. Then you can take any diya like this, and you will need a yellow LED. So this is the LED. So here from solar panel only we have to take one wire over here, and we can put a switch over here. I have put, then this directly to the diya, to the LED, and this positive point over here directly to the diode. And then you can take candle, yellow color or white color as you want, and you can melt the candle on the gas, and then you can put it in this diya, so it will look nice. So first I will show you, it looks very nice in night time. I'll switch off the lights. See, now I'll switch on the diya. As you can see, it looks very beautiful. And this is a renewable source of energy. In daylight, in morning time, you can put this solar panel into the sunlight. You can keep in the sunlight, and at night you can on this diya and keep it in your balcony or window or anywhere. So now enjoy.